Hi, good morning guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am in Sri Lanka. Yella is a downtown accommodation. I'm going to get the breakfast now. Look at the view, very nice. Then I'll make it more videos from the city tour. I'll upload more videos. Today is a Sri Lankan delicious breakfast. Bread, banana, mixed fruit. Morning, Nengi. So the each room they have the 6 bed base. This is the room I'm staying. This is called hostel. 6, 7, 8 room, 8 beds. This is the room I'm sleeping. The bed number is 13. So this is the balcony. I'm going to 9 Arts Bridge. Look at the viewpoint. This is my bike today. Bike riding. Yellow Herbal Gardens. This is a free of charge, free entrance. Herbal Garden in Sri Lanka. Hella. What's your name? Turaj.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Turaj.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hello. Herbal Garden, huh?
These are all spices and herbs.
I was the Mother River in Tagala.
Tagala.
Mother River. There is a what is that? Cinnamon garden.
This is growing kurkum. Turmeric, kurkuma.
Kurkuma. Very interesting.
That's the vanilla. You know vanilla?
Vanilla, yeah.
Smell like people use the tiny flower, pollinate by the hand, then you can make vanilla pods. And if you like, you can try a few minutes Ayurvedic massage also.
Okay.
Only you can.
Hello, good morning.
You can use it.
Okay. Thank you.
This is Elachi.
Yeah, let's see now. You are from Ella?
No, I'm from Kandy.
Kandy, yeah, okay. So your guest is coming from Kandy?
Yeah.
They're from Russia, huh?
Russian and Netherlands, German. So many visitors. That's the Elachi.
Вот у них на озеро ездили, там тоже надо.
9 Heart Bridge. Yele. Here I go. Sri Lanka. 9 Heart Bridge.